We're on a quest to understand nurture and nature.
It's kinda complicated, we like to make sure
to explore both in this little lecture,
because in the end it's always a mixture.
So many ways to answer this question, so here's a method we like to mention.
It's dog is pretty influenced by nature, take more exercise and make them together.
If our generation, they're getting crazier, things are affecting the dog's behavior.
Selective breeding works very nice. Over time we can make them more wise. Shou-chu, nomu, shou-chu, sake ni necchu, kodomo mo auruchu.
With animal breeding, a great way to know. But how about humans? 人間はどう?
We can't just breed them like sheep can, so we don't natural experiment.
Like twins. Take a look at what they share, like a lot of DNA and the color of their hair.
But if the environment, it might get sloppy. So we study those who have been adopted.
And as they age, it becomes apparent. They act more like their biological parents.
Certain tests like the IQ, but don't quit your efforts.
So cute!
But don't quit your efforts.
So cute! On a quest to understand nurture and nature, it's kind of complicated and we like to make sure to explore both in this little lecture. Because in the end, it's always a mixture. On a quest to understand nurture and nature, it's kind of complicated and we like to make sure to explore both in this little lecture. We do in English, called we like torture.
Now to the DNA in your hair follicle, how do we link one trait, one molecule?
Look in a family with different ways, we can see how genes might influence traits.
Behavior from brain from transmission from gene. For example, the reception for dopamine.
534 like novelty seeking, they took us to play its 卒業式.
I know gene stories are pretty fun, but their relationship with traits is rarely one-to-one.
So before you blame everything on genetics, remember the case of the diabetics.
If one twin gets it, the other might not. Environmental factors matter a lot.
Yes, genes might influence your trait, but it's far more likely if you're overweight.
Remember, it's like we told you, nature will nurture our
Gocha,
gocha. It's like we told you, nature will nurture our gocha,
Gocha.
Quest to understand nature and nature. It's kinda complicated and we like to make sure to explore both in this little lecture. Because in the end, it's always a mixture. On a quest to understand nurture and nature. It's kinda complicated and we like to make sure to explore both in this little lecture. We do this in English because we like torture.
Haha. Sayonara.